Here you can see almost 29 million people are visiting this site every single month, and they are spending 6 minutes and 36 seconds on average in this site. And the best part is that 93.3% of the traffic is coming from United Kingdom, and they are the exact traffic we are looking for to promote our products. Welcome back to this new video, guys. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Mastery YouTube channel, where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to promote digistore24 product with free traffic, absolutely free traffic. In order to promote digistore24 product, you have to create an account on digistore24. Just go to the digistore.com and create an account. It's so simple, so I don't go through it step by step. I have already selected a product to promote today. Today we are going to promote this product. This is keto desserts. It's a low ticket product, so we get more sales to get more income. And you can see the landing page. You can find all the information about this product. We should take some information from this landing page. I have collected some information from this page. Here you can see, to get the link, just click here, copy this link, and this is long and ugly, so I'm going to, let's make it smaller, short and sweet. The link is already copied, and you can see the link I have already pasted. Before moving to the actual traffic method, I want to talk about overnight profit sites, which is the system I'm currently using to make my full-time income. Here you can see the sales page of this site. If you join through the link in the description, first 75 people will get triple your income system. It is the VIP profit sites, which worth $497. You will get 100% free. This one is only for the 75 people join through the link, and its initial price is $297 monthly price, but we are giving it for only $19. And if you apply welcome 2022, you will get 10% off, which worth $2, and you will get this system only for $17. Here you can see all the information about this site. This is the done for you system, which allows you to make passive income. Step 1 is get access. You have to buy one and activate step 2, and step 3 is forget about it. This is the system, done for you systems. You don't need to worry about anything. Here you can see all the payment proofs, and people are writing about it, how it works and how fast they are making money. Here you can see all the information. Let me show you other gifts you get if you join through the link in the description. Let's You will get 5 bonuses. Here you can see bonus 1 worth for almost 1500, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, and bonus 5. And this is for only limited offer, and you will get 100% money back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about it. It's the work fantastic, and I'm making way more than I expected to make with this system. So the link in the description, go and check out. Let's move to the exact traffic method we are going to talk about. This site is called Gumtree. This is the ad posting site where you can post ads absolutely for free, and you will get lots traffic in this system. Here you can see all of these are the articles which we are going to promote. These are the exact posters we are going to promote today. You have to create an account in this system. The creating account is very simple, so I'm not going to do that. Let's create an ad, post an ad, click the post ad. Here you can find the option what you are going to promote. We are going to promote a product, so for sale what we are going to promote is health and beauty, diet and weight loss. Let's continue. Click the continue button. In order to post an ad in this site, you have to confirm your location. You are in UK. Don't worry about that if you are not from the UK. Here you can see, just go to the Google and search UK location postal code and find, copy any of these and post here. Go. Yeah, it confirms our location. Here you can see you have to title it. Title, you have to paste your title. I have already created this title. You can add up to 20 images in this site to make look more beautiful. Let's find some copy. Okay, save image. Okay, let's go back. Here you can see all the images are posted. Now you have to add the description. You can find the description from the landing page or sales page. You have to paste your link in the description. Don't forget about that. You are promoting, so we are going to put in $9. You don't have to click any of this, because if you click on this you have to pay for those. You have to provide your email so they can contact you. Now post my ad. The railway description cannot contain website link. Please use website link failed instead. Okay, this site says we can't post website link, so we are going to trick. Let's make an space here and write. Okay, now we can post this site. Post. It will take few hours to approve your ad. You can post another ads and manage the same ads. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out the super funnel hero.